Hi students, okay, today in this lecture we discussing the topic is some problems on Fourier series expansion of the given function. Okay, in the previous lecture also completed some problems, and in this lecture some other types of the functions. Okay, na? So first example here, find the Fourier series expansion of f of x is equal to x square in the interval minus 1 comma 1. Okay, clearly observing here x square in the interval minus 1 comma 1 and minus L comma L interval. So in the interval x square is a clearly even function. Okay, no? So using the formula for even function Fourier series in the interval minus L comma L, so you have to finding only a naught an, bn is automatically 0. In case we don't know x square is even function. Okay, na? So directly finding a naught a and b n in the interval minus L comma L, that is no problem. Directly find out change. So otherwise we know that the even function or odd function. Then using the separate formulas. So that is the shortcut methods. Okay. So now here assumption the given x square is the even function clearly. Okay, na? So that is equal to using the shortcut methods for series expansion. So that is equal to here f of x is equal to x square in the interval minus L comma L, L is equal to 1. So clearly given function is even function in the interval minus 1 comma 1. So therefore Fourier series for even function in the interval minus L comma L is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus n is summation n is equal to 1 to infinite a n into cos n pi x by L, where a naught a n is finding, b n automatically 0. A naught is equal to formula 2 by L into integration 0 to L f of x dx. This is a n is equal to 2 by L into integration 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Okay, now this is the formula for even function. So now finding a naught value, a naught is equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x dx is equal to 2 by 1 integration 0 to 1 f of x is equal to x square into dx, that is equal to x cube by 3 integration 0 to 1, substituting 2 by 3 minus 0. So that is equal to 2 by 3. So this is the required value a naught. Next finding a n value. So that is equal to okay, a n is equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L into dx, that is equal to 2 by 1 integration 0 to 1 x square into cos n pi x dx. So x square into cos n pi x means bypass method, u into v method. So that is equal to 2 into x square into u into integration of cos sin n pi x by n pi, limit 0 to 1, minus rate of x square into 2x here, and again variable, again second time integration. So integration 0 to 1 2x integration of cos sin n pi x by n pi into dx. So 2 into sin n pi x and x is equal to 1, sin n pi 0, sin 0 0. Next again this is u into v method here again. So 2 by n pi is a constant, is a common x, u is equal to x, that is equal to here x into integration of sin minus cos n pi x by n pi minus derivative of x into 1 sin 2 time integration minus sin n pi x by n square pi square, limit 0 to 1. So minus 4 by n pi, substituting upper limit x is equal to 1 minus cos n pi by n plus sin n pi 0. So x is equal to 0, cos 0 1, next to sin 0 0. Okay, na? So that is equal to, simplification is 4 by n square pi square into minus 1 power n. This is a an value. Substituting a naught a n in the equation 1, the required Fourier series of the given function. F of x is equal to 2 by 6 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinite 4 by n square pi square minus 1 power n into cos n pi x, that is equal to, simplification, that this is a required Fourier series of the given function. Okay, now see the next one. Okay, see the next question. Obtain Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to x in the interval minus 5 to pi. Okay, observing this is a minus 5 to 5 interval. So given function x is a clearly odd function. Okay na. So by using the Fourier series for odd function formula, we have to finding the Fourier series. Okay na. So otherwise we don't know x is a odd function. Directly you have to finding a naught, a n, b n. There is a also okay. There is a clearly you have to finding. So otherwise using the shortcut method, they clearly odd function. So using that only finding the bn value by using the other formula. Okay na. So that is equal to here given function f of x is equal to x, clearly given function is odd function in the interval minus 5 comma 5. Therefore Fourier series of an odd function in the interval minus 5 comma 5 is f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinite bn into sin nx, where bn is equal to 2 by 5 into integration 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. This is the formula for finding bn. So substituting x, f of x is equal to x. So bn is equal to 2 by 5 integration 0 to pi f of x into sin nx is equal to 2 by 5 integration 0 to pi f of x is equal to x into sin nx dx. So bypass method, x into sin x, 2 by 5 into x into derivative of sin x minus cos nx by n minus derivative of x 1 integration of sin minus sin nx by n square, limit 0 to pi. So 2 by 5 into x is equal to 5 minus pi cos n pi by n plus sin n pi 0. Lower limit x is equal to 0 0 sin 0 0. So that is equal to minus 2 by n into pi cancel minus 1 power n. So this is the required bn value substituting in equation 1. So therefore the required Fourier series of the given function x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinite minus 2 by n into minus 1 power n into sin nx. So this is the required Fourier series for the given function x in the interval minus 5 to 5. Okay. So see the next question. Note, this is one of the definition for even odd functions. So f of x is equal to given in two cases. F of x is equal to pi x in the interval minus a to 0 and psi x 0 to a, and a complete minus a to a interval and f of x. So here if phi of minus x is equal to psi x and a first function lo x space lo minus x replacing, we getting the second function psi x, then f of x is called a even function. F of x is a even. So phi of minus x is equal to minus psi of x. In case second function minus into second function existing in code, f of x is called a odd function. This is another definition of the even and odd functions. Okay na. So that is equal to one of the example here. Obtain Fourier series expansion of the given function f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x by 5 in the interval minus 5 to 0, 1 minus 2x by 5 in the interval 0 to pi. So first of all clear the given function is even function, because in the first function chudandi 1 plus 2x by 5 replacing x place lo minus x. So 1 minus 2x by 5 and first function lo replacing x by minus 6, getting the same function the second function. So clearly by above definition given function f of x is even function in the interval minus 5 to 5. Therefore Fourier series of even function f of x in the interval minus 5 to 5 is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinite a n into cos nx. Now finding a naught a n values. So a naught is equal to value 2 by 5 integration 0 to pi f of x dx. So 2 by 5 into integration 0 to pi f of x is equal to, from the interval 0 to 5 only. In the interval 0 to 5 f of x is equal to 1 minus 2x by 5 into dx. So 2 by 5 into integration of 1x minus integration of x square by 2 and 2 cancel, x square by 5 0 to 5 limits. So 2 by 5 into x is equal to 5, 5 minus 5 square by 5 into 5, 5 minus 5 0. So a naught is equal to 0. Next an is equal to 2 by 5 integration 0 to pi f of x into cos nx. In the interval 0 to pi lo f of x is equal to 1 minus 2x by 5. So this is a u, this is a v. Bypass method, 2 by 5 into u into 1 minus 2x by 5 into integration of cos sin nx by n 0 to pi minus delta 1 minus 2x by 5 minus 2 by 5. So this is a constant cos nx 2 time integration minus cos nx by n square from 0 to 5. So that is equal to 2 by 5. Substituting limit sin n phi 0, sin 0 0. Minus of minus plus, minus plus minus 2 by pi n square common. Cos n pi ante minus 1 4 n. Next lower limit minus to minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus to minus plus 2 by pi n square cos 0 1. So that is equal simplification. This is a common 4 by pi square n square into 1 minus 1 whole power n. This is the an value. Substituting a naught an in the given series. So that is a required Fourier series expansion f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinite 4 by pi square n square into 1 minus 1 power n into cos nx. So this is a required Fourier series. See the next question here. Find Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to x plus x square in the interval minus 5 to 5 and hence show that the first condition pi square by 12 is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus up to so on. So second one 5 square by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus up to so on. This is also very important question, the long question. So we are given function x plus x square. Okay now. So given function Fourier series of the given function in the interval minus 5 to 5. So this is the required Fourier series. Now finding a naught an bn. This is a naught an bn. First finding a naught is equal to 1 by 5 into integration minus 5 to 5 f of x dx. So 1 by 5 into integration 5 minus 5 to 5 f of x is equal to x plus x square into dx. So integration 1 by 5 into here x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus 5 to 5. Substituting 1 by 5 into pi square by 2 plus pi cube by 3. So here lower limit minus 5 substituting minus pi square by 2 plus pi cube by 3. Simplification 2 pi square by 3. So this is the a naught value. Similarly finding an value. So an is equal to 1 by 5 integration minus 5 to 5 x plus x square into cos nx dx. So that is equal to bypass method u into v 1 by 5 into u into x plus x square into integration of cos sin nx by n limits minus 5 to 5. So x plus x square is the derivative 1 plus 2x. This is a variable here. Next second time integration. Integration minus 5 to 5. Integration of cos sin nx by n. Substituting here sin n pi 0. Sin minus n pi 0. So here u into v and no? So u into 1 plus 2x into integration of sin nx minus cos nx by n and n square, n into n square minus cos nx by n square limits minus 5 to 5 plus 1 plus 2x derivative 2 constant here sin nx ki 2 time integration, that is minus sin nx by n square into n cube limits minus 5 to 5. Substituting the limits 1 by 5 into here x is equal to pi 1 plus 2 pi cos n pi n square. Next lower limit 1 minus 2 pi minus of minus plus cos of minus n pi ante cos n pi n square. Ikkada upper limit sin n pi 0, lower limit minus sin n pi 0. So that is equal to here common ikkada cancelable chudandi first one cos n pi by n square common. Ikkada pi common, pi cancel. 2 plus 2 4 by n square into cos n pi. Cos n pi is equal to minus 1 power n. This is the an value and okay na. Next to bn value. bn is equal to 1 by 5 into integration minus 5 to 5 x plus x square into sin nx into dx. That is equal to the same procedure u into v method, x plus x square into integration of sin minus cos nx by n minus 5 to 5 minus x plus x square derivative 1 plus 2x integration minus 5 to 5 minus cos nx by n into dx. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into here substituting upper limit 5 kada, minus of 5 plus 5 square into cos n by n, lower limit minus of minus plus minus 5 plus 5 square cos n pi by n. Ikkada again u into v method, 1 plus 2x into integration of cos nx sin nx by n square, n into n square kada, limits minus 5 to 5, 1 plus 2x derivative 2 cos की 2 time integration minus cos nx by n square here. So that is equal to here n cube. So that is equal to simplification substituting the limits 1 by 5 into here, here minus 5 is a cancel, అవునా ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 5 స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 5 స్క్వేర్ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 5 స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది అవునా, రిమైనింగ్ both are same కదా 2 pi. సో మైనస్ 2 pi by n ఇంటూ కాస్ n pi అంటే మైనస్ 1 power n, ఇక్కడ 1 ప్లస్ 2 pi sin n pi 0, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 2 కాస్ n pi n క్యూబ్, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్ 2 pi n క్యూబ్ కాస్ n pi. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద క్యాన్సల్ అవునా, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు here pi cancel 2 by n minus into minus 1 power n minus 1 power n plus 1. This is the required bn value and okay na. So that is equal to substituting a naught an bn in equation 1. The required Fourier series is f of x is equal to x plus x square kada. So this is the a square a naught by 2 kada, 2 pi square by 3 by 2, 2 cancel, summation n is equal to 1 to infinite. This is the an into cos nx plus this is the bn 2 by n into minus 1 power n plus 1 into sin nx. Okay now this is the required Fourier series expansion of the given function. So now using this series we have to show the two conditions, two equations. Okay now, so first one, so for proving the first one, in the equation 2 substituting x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means 0 is equal to pi square by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinite 4 by n square into minus 1 power n cos 0 1 because sin 0 0. Expand the series, 0 is equal to 5 square by 3 minus expand n is equal to 1, 4 by 1 square n is equal to 2 plus 4 by 2 square minus 4 by 3 square plus 4 by 4 square minus up to so on. 5 square by 3 outside, so that is equal to here 4 by 1 square minus 4 by 2 square plus up to so on, 4 common, 4 right inside, 5 square by 12. So that is 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus up to so on. This is the first result proved. Okay na. Similarly show that second condition. Put x is equal to pi in equation 2, that is equal to here x is equal to pi, 5 plus pi square is equal to 5 square by 3 plus n is equal to 1 to infinite 4 by n square minus 1 power n cos n pi, sin n pi 0 kada. Okay, that is the 0. Simplification 5 plus pi square is equal to 5 square by 3 plus 4 common, substituting n is equal to 1 2 3 up to so on, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square. So that is equal to up to so on. So that is equal, again substituting, put x is equal to minus 5 in equation 2. First substituting x is equal to pi, again substituting second time x is equal to minus 5 in equation 2, that is equal to minus 5 plus pi square, and x is equal to minus 5 minus 5 plus minus 5 whole square into pi square is equal to right side pi square by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinite 4 by n square minus 1 power n cos of minus n pi ante cos n pi అది sin n by 0 automatically, second term 0. So now simplification is minus 5 plus 5 square is equal to 5 square by 3. Yeah, expand here, same expand 4 into 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus up to so on. So adding equation 3 and 4. So equation 3 equation 4 adding and we getting ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసే ముందు పై బై క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది కదా, 2 square 2 square అంటే సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హియర్, సో పై క్యాన్సిల్ కదా, 5 square ఇక్కడ 5 square by 3 plus 4 కదా, యాడింగ్ 2 on both sides కదా, so 2 cancel directly. 5 square is equal to 5 square by 3 plus 4 into 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus up to so on. Now simplification is this is right outside, అవునా, 3 5 square minus 5 square by 3 ఏమొస్తుంది, 2 5 square by 3 కదా, 2 5 square by 3 is equal to 4 కదా, 2 2 जा 4 కదా, 2 right inside denominator, 2 into 3 6, that is 5 square by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus up to so on. So this is the required result. So this is also very very important question, the long question andi, okay na. See the next one. Obtain Fourier series for f of x is equal to 5 minus x by 2 in the interval 0 less than x less than 2 pi, and deduce that 5 by 4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus up to so on. So given function f of x is equal to 5 minus x by 2, the Fourier series in the interval 0 comma 2 pi is given by this is the Fourier series, is a naught value. So a naught first, this is an, this is the bn value, okay na. Now first finding a naught value, a naught is equal to 1 by 5 into integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into dx, 1 by 5 integration 0 to 2 pi 5 minus x by 2 into dx, so that is equal to 1 by 2 pi integration of 5 minus x minus x square by 2 0 to 2 pi. Simplification is 1 by 2 pi into 2 pi square minus 2 pi square is equal to 0. So a naught is equal to 0. Similarly we have to finding an. So an is equal to 1 by 5 into integration 0 to pi f of x cos nx into dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 into integration 0 to 2 pi 5 minus x by 2 into cos nx into dx. So bypass method, u into v method, this is a u, this is a v, 2 common, 1 by 2 5 minus x u, so 5 minus x into integration of cos sin nx by n, limit 0 to 2 pi, minus derivative of 5 minus x into minus 1, integration of cos 2 times minus cos nx by n square 0 to 2 pi, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi into here 0 sin 2n pi 0 minus sin 0 0, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్ కాస్ 2n pi అంటే 1 by n square ప్లస్ లోయర్ లిమిట్ 0 cos 0 1 ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ 1 by n square, సో బోత్ ఆర్ క్యాన్సిల్ కదా, సో an is equal to also 0. Next to bn 1 by pi into integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx dx, that is equal to 1 by 5 into 0 to 2 pi 5 minus x by 2 into sin nx into dx, 1 by 2 5 into, this is the u, this is the v, 5 minus x into integration of sin minus cos nx by n 0 to 2 pi minus derivative of 5 minus x into minus 1 into sin 2 time integration minus sin nx by n square, limit 0 to 2 pi, 1 by 2 pi into 5 minus 2 pi into minus pi plus 5 by n cos 2n pi అంటే 1. Next to x is equal to 0, lower limit 0, minus 2 minus plus 5 by n, so sin 2n pi 0, sin 0 0, that is equal, simplification is 2 pi, 2 pi is a cancel, 1 by n, this is the bn value. So substituting a naught a and bn values in equation 1, we are getting the required Fourier series of the given function. So that is equal required for a series 5 minus x by 2 is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinite. So bn is equal to 1 by n into sin n x. A naught a n 0 gets. So now using this series we have to show that the given condition, substituting here x is equal to 5 by 2 and ikkada. So x is equal to 5 by 2 in the above series, that is equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 and 5 by 4 is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinite 1 by n into sin n pi by 2. Substituting the series, expand the series, n is equal to 1, 5 by 4 is equal to sin n t 1, 1 plus n is equal to sin pi 0, n is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 0 plus 1 by 5 plus 0 minus 1 by 7 plus up to so on. So that is equal, therefore hence the result 5 by 4 is equal to 1 minus 5 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus up to so on. This is the required result of the given question. Hence proved. So this is some another problems on Fourier series expansion. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.